Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, August 31st, 2015. It is the last trading day of the month. And historically, in 2015, that has not been a very good day for the markets. And it's not looking like a great day right now. Futures are trading down about 20 points to 1970 per contract. Is a pretty good move lower, but futures have come off the worst levels. You could see that they have made some higher lows, but nonetheless, they are still down around 19.5 to 20 points per contract at the moment. So we'll take that into consideration. We'll see how today plays out. Generally, in August, Mondays are usually a very, very light time frame, light volume time frame, light volume period, I should say. So we'll see how this plays out today. Let's take a look at some stocks in the news. By the way, I believe the London market is closed today, so the UK markets are closed today. But let's take a look at Phillips 66. PSX is the ticker symbol. Oil refinery, chemical maker. Looks like Warren Buffett revealed that Berkshire Hathaway has a 10% stake, or a little bit more than that, in Phillips 66. Stock closed at 77.23. It's trading at 78.55. So good little move there. Stock really needs to close above $79.50 to $80. If it could do that, it does have upside, possibly to $83. But right now, the big resistance level that I'm seeing today would be right around that $79.50 level. So keep that on the radar. That's going to be the real test. You can see it's been tested already this morning, stalling out. Once it closes above there on, say, an hourly chart or so, it potentially can move a little bit higher. But Berkshire Hathaway with over a 10% stake in Phillips 66. It looks like JCPenney is in the news too. There was a big upgrade there. Stock is trading at 9.16, closed at 8.94. So a good little pop. I'm not going to make much out of it, but JCPenney is in a little bit of an uptrend here, but getting a little bit overbought. There's a lot of resistance at 978, 980 if it does get there. So I'm not sure it'll work its way up there, but if it does get up there, be a little bit careful. That is going to be a big resistance level. Couple of stocks, biotechs today, MDCO, medicine company, surging. The stock closed at 33.64. It's now trading at 40.18. It looks like this in another firm, ANLY, which is, let's see when it pops up here. They're both surging higher on the back of some positive drug result of cholesterol drugs. So we'll see how it plays out. But either way, MDCO is the company that's surging the most here, and that's a pretty good move. Stock closed at 33.64, and it is trading at 40.26. So we'll see how that plays out going forward. Looking over at Twitter today, Twitter is moving a little bit higher. TWTR is the ticker symbol here. Twitter catching a nice little bit on an upgrade. Stock's trading at 27.70, closed at 26.83. So good little uptick there for Twitter. I don't know how much we can make out of it. Intel received a nice upgrade today too, and there's a lot of upgrades and downgrades today, but that is moving the market. Intel trading right now at 28.40, closed at 28.42, so that's not reacting all that great, but you do want to keep it on the radar. I think Intel could have upside potential to around $30, but that's it. I don't really see the stock getting much above 30 at all, and I'm not sure that will even happen today. Let's take another look at another upgrade here on Sun Edison. Stock is trading at $10.75, closed at 10.30. Did peak above 11 briefly, so that's another big upgrade, and that's what we're seeing a lot of today. Just tons and tons of upgrades out here, at least at the moment. So we'll see how this all shakes out going forward, but we're getting lots of movement in stocks on upgrades. Looks like Microsoft was cleared of any wrongdoing, so that stock could trade higher. Right now it's trading at 43.74, closed at 43.94. Patent infringement was the ruling, and Microsoft is cleared of any wrongdoing in that case. So we'll see how it plays out. I'm not sure we're going to make too much out of it. It's a little bit more of a quieter day, so we'll see where it goes. But nonetheless, if we got a down move like we do in the futures trading down 19.25, we should get some action. So again, if you have not done so, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we're doing. Trade right alongside of us. We've been having a blockbuster 2015, and we are looking to keep that going no matter what the volatility is, no matter what the market's doing. If it's up, down, all around, makes no difference to us. We are just watching the charts, trading long, trading short, and trading the right direction. That's all that matters. Let's take a look at the gold market today. Gold futures are trading down $6.30 to $1,127 an ounce. Let's go to the GLD. You'll see that's trading at around 108.10, closed at 108.70. I'm not seeing a whole lot of strength right now in the gold market. I don't expect it to just plunge, but even with the weaker dollar today, the dollar is down a little bit today. Gold is really not doing all that much, and it is showing some weakness. So we want to keep that on the radar. There's not much I'm looking to do with it. Oil is trading lower by $1.13 to $44.09 an ounce. Oil was on a rocket ship move last week. This week it is retreating, or at least the start of the week. So crude oil is trading a little bit lower. Here's the USO trading at 14.45, closed at 14.88. So that is reflecting a little downtick in the price of spot crude. So we'll see how oil plays out. Oil is a wild card. It's been all over the map over the last couple of weeks. So again, I think most of the short squeezing in oil took place last week. So be a little bit on the guarded side there, a little bit careful, and we'll see how this one plays out going forward. All right, everybody, we're going to wrap it up short and sweet. Once again, come on over, take a 7-day free trial. We have the futures down 19 points on the S&P 500 E-minis. NASDAQ futures are trading lower by 37 points. So, again, it's going to be a weaker open. At least that's what we suspect. And we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings at 9:30. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.